welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be opening up this mini brand and this mini brand. But first, we're going to do this one. So these are the sneaker ones. You can see right there. And I'm going to open it. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Okay, it came with stickers. And number one. Pump it up, it says. They're so cute. Look at them. So my dad had these pumps when he was a little boy, and these he would use for basketball, and these are the walk, but I don't know. And these are the stickers. I already showed them, but Reebok, I think. There they go. I'm gonna show you the back too. And box number 3. Oh, it's a hat. Oh, wait, is that all the boxes? I think that is. Yeah, that is all the boxes. By the way, make sure to like and subscribe. I mined it the second time on the first time, and now we're going to be opening up the cereal stuff, the retro box. This, oh my. Oh, it's so hard to open this. Oh, I'm done. Got it. Now I have to do the second layer, and it's hurting my fingernails a lot. And by the way, this is the mini brand list. And wait, these are gold ones. Gold hat. Gold t-shirt. Oh, I like those. These are so cute. By the way, these are the ones that I'm calling cute. And oh, they are so awesome. This is my favorite hat right there. Yeah. And second favorite shoes. Back to Minnie. Here is the mini thing. I'm gonna show you the list. probably check off the stuff that I get. And boom. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Let's open the tiny bags. Oh. This is floppy biscuits. I don't know what it's. This one is something. This is for computer, and this is a battery, I think. It's a film fork camera. I don't know. Kodak, okay. Or it's used for a camera. Is this? It's peanuts, broccoli, planters, peanuts, thing they use for a computer, thing for a camera. Oh, it's a V8 vegetables container thing. Oh, something soft in here. What is it? These are Bum Bum Pops. That we already have. Well, this is all the things. We couldn't got Twitter wax, which is meant for car, and there was so much stuff that we couldn't got. Well, bye everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notifications. Bye!